Hello, you're welcome. How to solve this nice exponential equation? Solution from here. From what we have here, we take the log on both sides. That is, here we have log 9 raised to power x equals to log 60 from here. The next step, applying the power law of logarithm, when we have log m raised to power p, this same thing as p log m. That is, here we have x log 9 equals to log 60 on this side. The next step here, divide both sides by log 9. This divide this side by log 9. Also, divide this side by log 9. This here, log 9 cancelled each other. And we have x equals to log 60 over log 9. Then, from here, you can write 60 as 3 times 20, which implies here we have x equals to log 3 times 20 over log 9. And this follows when we have log a times b, which can be written as log a plus log b. And this here, I can write this as x equals to log 3 plus log 20 over log 9. Then separate this into two fractions, and we have x equals to log 3 over log 9 plus log 20 over log 9. Then also, 20 same thing as 4 times 5. Then what we have here becomes x equals to log 3 over log 9 plus log 4 times 5 over log 9. That is, this also follows law of logarithm, and we have x equals to log 3 over log 9 plus log 4 plus log 5 over log 9. Then, next step here, we separate this into two fractions. We have x equals to log 3 over log 9 plus log 4 over log 9 plus log 5 over log 9. Next step here, we can write 9 as 3 times 3, that's 3 square, and 4 as 2 times 2, that's 2 square. And what we have becomes x equals to log 3 over log 3 squared plus log 2 squared over log 3 squared plus log 5 over log 3 squared. That is, here we apply the power law of logarithm. 2 comes here, from here, and also here. We have x equals to log 3 over 2 log 3 plus 2 log 2 over 2 log 3 plus log 5 over 2 log 3. That is, here we have log 3 cancel each other here. We have x equals to 1 over 2 plus 2 cancel each other here. We have log 2 over log 3 left plus here we can write it as 1 over 2 times log 5 over log 3. Then here we apply change of base when we have log a over log b. This same thing as log a base b. This here we have x equals to 1 over 2 plus log 2 base 3 plus 1 over 2 log 5 base 3. Then we bring this together as one fraction. We have x equals to the LCM here, that's 2. And here we have 1 plus. This becomes 2 log 2 base 3 plus. Here we have log 5 base 3. And this we have the value of x here as 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2. Then let's check here if this satisfies this given problem. That is, we substitute the value of x here, which is x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2. This here we have 9 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2. This is equals to 60 on this side. Then next step here, we can express 9 as 3 square. 3 raised to power 2 or raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2. This is equals to 60 on this side. This here, this power multiplies 2 here cancel each other. We have 3 raised to power 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3. This is equals to 60 on this side. And this follows the law of indices. When we have a raised to power n plus n, this same thing as a raised to power n times a raised to power n. This here we have 3 raised to power 1 times 3 raised to power 2 log 2 base 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 base 3. Is it equals to 60 on this side? This here, 3 raised to power 1, that's 3 times. Here we reverse this 2 on power log. That's 3 raised to power log 2 square, which is 4 is 3 times 3 raised to power log 5 is 3. Is it equals to 60 on this side? This here, this follows the law of logarithm. When we have a raised to power log b to base a, which is equals to b. And this here we have 3 times 4 and times 5. Is it equals to 60 on this side? Here 3 times 4, 12. 12 times 5 is 60 equals to 60 from here. We have left hand side equals to the right hand side. And therefore, we conclude here that x equals to 1 plus 2 log 2 base 3 plus log 5 base 3 all over 2 satisfies this given problem. And thank you for watching. Don't forget these steps. Subscribe for more videos and turn the notification bell on. Share this video, give it a thumbs up, put your comment. See you next class and bye for now.